Hey guys, and welcome. This is Lyzboy bringing to you week 3 development of 16-bit survival. As you can see right there, we have a new rain sprite coming down. We're using the particle effect system inside of Game Maker instead of the sprite system that we had earlier. We had the placeholder. And also, as you can see, we have squirrels running around in world now. The squirrels aren't finished. The sprite is just a placeholder sprite. It probably will be utilized, but there will be actual movements just like the player. So right now, the squirrels will run from you. They do have an AI to make themselves run around. There's our rain again. And so yeah, they randomly spawn in the map. So as you move around, you will see squirrels in the world doing their thing. Let's see if we can find any right now. They don't seem to have spawned in this seed as much as we would have hoped, but that's okay. There's one up there. They do spawn. They will run from you. They move at the same speed as a player does walking, so you have to run to get on them. It is kind of difficult to get on them. They right now currently take 4 hits with no tools in the hands to kill them. But if you have, say, a shovel or an axe, they will die almost immediately. We do have a little animation to show them when they get hit, kind of like a blood animation, which is pretty cool. But it's hard to catch them by running, and that's the point, because squirrels aren't the easiest things to catch. So with the slingshot or with a bow and arrow that have yet to be implemented, it will be a little bit easier. But luckily for us, I already have a dead squirrel right here. I actually have 2 of them, so we can show you how it works. So right now, as you can see in the top left, my hunger is um, getting pretty high, so you want to make sure you take care of hunger. So what we do have for the squirrels is when you grab one, oh wow, grabbed it pretty far up there. So we'll just do it with this one. When you eat it, you'll notice the hunger bar will slightly go down, just like that. And when you eat it and it's raw, you do have a chance of becoming sick. Sickness is not implemented within the game yet, but we will get it going. So what you can do is bring the squirrel over to the fire, and it will cook it. So now I have a cooked squirrel, and if I eat it, it'll take away a lot more hunger. One other thing we can do is, let's see, I think I implemented putting coal in the fire. Yes, I did. Awesome. So the time right now is off. I set the daylight cycle a little bit faster just so we could start in the day and not have to be in the night. As you can see, we do have nighttime going, and we can move around. It's kind of hard probably to see on mobile devices, but if you're on a computer, it probably looks all right for you. But another thing we did implement this week was the potato sprites. We made them a little bit smaller so they're not so big, and you can take a potato and eat it raw. It'll take away a little bit of health, just like the raw squirrel. Potatoes won't have a chance of getting you sick if you eat them without them being cooked, but you can come over and cook it. So now there is a cooked potato, kind of looks like a baked potato, but you can then eat that. And so that's about it we've done this week. The AI for the squirrels took a little bit longer than expected, and to get them working right. But we have now we have some docile creatures in world. We do have all the great other things we had before. We can make our shovels, make our axes. Crafting system still works and is still going. I have done a little bit of optimization to the code, utilizing more scripts rather than hard coding straight into each object. So we still have our scripts. I mean, we still have all the great functionality with our objects, but now it's easier for me, so I can actually get more work done faster. Um, I graduated school over last week, and so now I have a way more time to develop, which is awesome. And aside from work, I will be working on this game, trying to get more accomplished and getting to show you guys more. So if you would, comment on the video, tell me what you like, what you dislike, so we can make some improvements. make some modifications, alterations. If you have anything that you would like to send me, any personal messages, any assets, anything like that, you can send them to lazygameproductions@gmail.com, and that'll come straight to me. So yeah, right now this is what we have, and hopefully I get a lot more implemented next week. Hopefully some more docile creatures. I will get the sickness going. The sickness meter will happen, and you will be able to see the sickness. And I have a few other things I'm going to try to implement. A few more bushes so we can make rope, different things like that. Yeah, so I would like to get that going. I'm going to try to implement flint so we can make knives with the squirrels. You can kill the squirrel and you can cook it like it is, or you can use a knife. And if you have the knife in hand, you can butcher the squirrel, and you'll get pelts and meats and possibly guts, because guts will be utilized for different things. So it's raining, our holes are filling up with water, and we're going to drink from them, which is awesome because it's always nice to have water. But like I said, water will give you sickness once we implement the sickness. So I hope you guys like how it's going so far. That's what we have. And remember to send anything that you think could be changed. Comment on the video, like the video, and be ready for next Sunday when we release another one. Until then, this is Lyzboy, and I will see you all later.